Hiya, it's Andy again from Cream and Whiskers for the Sunday Shave. How are you? Hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be reviewing this. I'll bring it a bit for you. It's called Aqua and it's by M&S. Yeah, there you go. It's Aqua. I picked it up at Christmas time this year to see what it was like. I purchased it, I didn't get it off of M&S or anything, I had to purchase it. It comes with that, a balm and a shower gel. Now I've tried this and I have tried the shower gel. It smells beautiful, absolutely lovely. It's got undertones of a woody scent to it, but you can't really smell it in the tub. So what I'll do is look at shaving. Today I'm going to go back to using the Omega Pro ball brush, the bowl, and of course Edwin Jagger Barley with a Astra Blaze in it. Alright, you don't use a lot of this. I'll show you, hopefully I'll show you how much to use. Where did the bubble come from? About that much, just about that. It is a 75ml. You can get bigger. They do an aftershave as well, which I will show you towards the end. Let's get mixing. So, boys and girls, how we been? How we been? Been alright? Still off with the kids? We're right. It's a bit miserable today. I don't know why. It's just a bit miserable. We've got our air show, as I say, coming up, which is quite good. If you are around, Facebook me or give me an email. Tell me you're down here. We'll meet up, have a coffee or a pint. Look about shaving. There might be other stuff. I'm going to be doing some other bits and pieces. Doing some more shampoo. We've got a hard shampoo. I'll tell you about that as well. And got some other shaving products that I got from my local shop. So we'll try that as well. Here you go. This is what it's coming up like. Lovely. Yeah. Oh, you can certainly smell. You can certainly smell the sound of wood. It looks very smooth. That's what it's looking like. Yeah, Twin Peaks, as they say. Right, let's get it on the chops and let's see what happens. I do not like the smell. I mean, I actually did it. It's something I came across from Christmas. It came in a bundle. Oh, let's have a go at trying to do it. Goes on alright. Goes on alright. It is a cream, not a soap. Let's try it. Let's get in there. It's gliding very nicely. So, as I say, what we're up to. I'm chilling on this Sunday morning. Be out with kids. Mum and parents. I think my parents are about 4 hours away. I'm on the East Coast and they are up in Worcester. So from there to here it's about 4 hours. And Razor was gliding over that. I love it. Razor was gliding over that, beautiful. Yeah, it's got a clean scent to it. It's, as I say, there's no chemical smell to that. It's actually clean. There's a nice clean smell to that. The second pass isn't holding its own, but probably means not mixing that second not up properly. But it's still cutting, it's still going across as lovely. It's actually cutting it very, very nicely. Not horrible. Not horrible at all. And we'll go last pass upwards. Give it a quick stir up again. It does go down quite a bit. It's might have been me. I'll slide that in the sink. Last half of that in the sink. I'm going to try and do some cheap alternatives. Well, cheap brands anyway. I'm going to look at cheap but good brands. Because you don't have to spend a fortune on product, do you? Really? It's not compulsory to go, I must spend £100 on something. If you like it. Right, let's get down there. I'm back. How are you? Oh, I should have. Right, I'm gonna quickly damp my face again. I'm gonna use that. Mr. Natty and an Allen bar. It's the Allen bar for shaving. Oh, oh. Right, there we go. Right, I'll be back in 1 second. So I need this down. Oh, I will show you the aftershave, and I will show you the aftershave balm. That is the aftershave balm, and that is 75ml. Again, from M&S. Pop in there, have a look. They might come in 3 parts, which is usually a deodorant, a shaving gel, and a balm, or it can come in a shaving gel, a balm. This, as I say, was the shaving cream. Now I'm dry. I'm going to put the balm. No, I'm going to put the. Sorry, I'm going to put that on, which is their aftershave. Exactly the same. There's nothing on it. It's the same as the soap. It's got a cedarwood to it. Not a lot. Not a lot. So we put about 6 pumps in the tin. It has got alcohol in it. Oh, but it's not overpowering alcohol. It's not. I'm not going. It's not overpowering at all. No, like that. I do like that. Now I'm going to put balm on. Balm is of a white texture. I think that's enough. What do you reckon? Rub it in my hands. Oh, that's actually shaved really well. Oh, that was smooth. And the balm isn't overpowering, got the same scent as the shaving gel and the aftershave. See, you've matched it, and the balm's on there as well. Last time I used the aftershave, it's in ETD toilette. It lasted quite a while on my face actually. I'll give them that, it did last a while. It wasn't one of those that disappeared for an hour, it just dissolved. It lasted for most of the day, and it's early in the morning here, so let's see if it lasts all day on that one. Right, let's recap of what I've used. I've used the Omega Bore Pro brush. I used the Edwin Jagger Laser, with a Astro Blade, the trusty old bulb. I used the shower gel, the shaving cream, 75ml. You can pick that up from M&S for about £8.50. Alright. The balm is round about 5 something. And that's about 12, and that is the Aqua one as well. There you go, it's lovely smell, that one. Do like that smell. Pop out, get it. I've been Andy from Cream and Whiskers. All have the rest of a good Sunday and the rest of the week. I'll see you on Wednesday for another Wednesday review. Don't forget to comment. You know what to do. Just comment if you want to. Ring the bell, put a thumbs up. I don't know what it's supposed to mean, but I tell you to put a thumbs up. Subscribe so you keep getting these and I keep doing them. Because as I say, the more I get, the more I try and do some competition for it. I'll go and see if I can get some bits for competition for you girls and boys over there. Alright? Brilliant. I will see you all on Wednesday. Bye.